Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's been making waves in the weight loss industry: Keto Guru weight loss tablets. If you're someone who's struggling to lose weight and maintain a healthy lifestyle, then this product might be just what you need. Keto Guru weight loss tablets are designed to help you achieve ketosis faster, and as a result, lose weight more effectively. Don't just take our word for it. Our customers have reported amazing results with this product. Not only did they lose weight, but they also felt more energized and focused throughout the day. So what makes Keto Guru weight loss tablets so effective? It's all in the ingredients. This product is made with a unique blend of natural ingredients that work together to help you burn fat, boost your metabolism, and control your appetite. Plus, the tablets are easy to take and come in convenient packaging, so you can take them on the go. If you're ready to take your weight loss journey to the next level, then give Keto Guru weight loss tablets a try. Click the link in the description to learn more and order your own supply today.